I'm trying not to be too careful with this account. That can really affect my trading. So I don't want to give too much importance to this particular account. All right, morning guys. So it's currently 21st of March. This is the day after I got my funded challenge, and right now I am looking at a GBP USD trade. I'm not actually set up for this trade, so I might not even rush it. I might not take this trade at all, and that's because I've not been able to log in to my funded next account on my phone and my laptop. Yeah, so I'm going to try to do that right now. Then if this trade doesn't move before then, I might just take it. All right, so let's go and log into our account. Let's go and log in. So I go to my dashboard, then I have my funded next 25 right here. I will have used my phone also, but I'm recording on my phone right now, so I'll do that later off camera. All right, we are in. This is going to be serious. This is going to be interesting. Let's see how the spread is on the actual funded account. Oh wow, the spread is pretty good. Let's see the spread on gold. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So if I was awake earlier, I woke up early enough, but I didn't want to rush. I would have taken these gold buys. Let me get out of the way. So I would have taken these gold buys on the 5-minute time frame, somewhere around here, after the rejection. I would have just accounted for the low right here. Then I'll be targeting here, and if possible, all the way up here. But to be safe, I'll just do exactly 1 to 3. So this would have been what I'll be looking for. So for this gold trade here, if gold comes down here and give me some price action, then liquidate and give me an engulfing, I'll jump into the trade and take it up, and hopefully by that time I'll get a better stop loss risk reward. I'll probably be looking at something around 25 pips stop loss or lower. Then this kind of trade now, I can hold it for 1 to 5, then I'll be out. So that's how I diversify my risk reward ratio and stuff. I go to 3 or 5. So that's how it goes. For GU has tagged me in, so I'll go ahead and let me see my risk. This is my first trade on this account. Alright, let me show you as I do it. Officially the first trade on the account. Oh yeah, okay. Bye. Alright, we're in.
Yeah, boy.
I'm risking 0.5% on this trade. It's not up to right now. This is 26. Let's do 0.08. Let's see if we can get it to 0.5%. Trade is already moving. Alright, that's fair. Already moving in profit. So I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to come out at the Asian eyes for 4.1 hour. I should be expecting about 2% from this trade, which will be $120. So let's leave it to play out. Let's leave it to play out, and we'll be back to see what we have for the day. Alright, I'll come back and show you how the trade is going in due time. So for now, I'm out. Alright guys, so right now my trade is moving, and let me just show you what happened. So this is what happened here. This trade that I took immediately started going into drawdown. It started going to drawdown, and I was okay with it because it could go into drawdown because of some areas of liquidity down here. I could really have waited for this particular setup, but I'm not going to lie, I didn't want to miss the trade. My first trade, I didn't want to miss it, and it looked good, so I took it from up there, which was also a valid area, and I liked the stop loss tip. I could get 1 to 4 easily from this trade, so I just took it. But yeah, as soon as I entered the trade, it played around a bit, then moved a little profit, then dropped all the way here. I had this zone marked out also, but let me just take this out because I didn't take this trade. I wanted to take this trade and double down, but I'm like, you know what? No, let me just accept the risk I've taken from the beginning of the whole trade. Let me just accept that risk and leave it like that. So I didn't take this particular trade. If not, I'd have been up about 3% right now. But yeah, I left this one. I just used it for tests because of course. And right now the trade is pushing. It's pushing. Right now we are up $11 on this account. So the trade is still around entry right now. Nothing serious has happened within the last hour. Nothing serious has happened. So I'll just hold on to this trade and I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so this trade is just playing around with me. It's just playing with me, but as long as my low is protected, I stay positive, man. Like, there was just a push right now, just as soon as I sent this message. I said trade's still playing around, but as long as my low is protected, I stay positive. Then this push happened exactly the same time, 916. So we're still holding on. Yes, I saw something on gold. That's why I came back here. So gold came down to my support area and is rejecting right now. So I'll be looking for what I'm looking for on gold is, oh, this looks good. This looks very good. So what I'm looking for on gold right now is for price to consolidate a bit. For gold, I like to see sweeps of liquidity like this one that just happened right here. This is enough. This to taking out is enough for me to take this price. But I'm a little bit more conservative because I just started this account. If it was my personal account, I would have taken this price. But this is what I'm looking for. For it to sweep more liquidity, break, then any retracement, I take it to the upside. That's what I would like to see on gold. Just play around, get more people to take that buy, then take them all out. And after taking them out, show me that it's ready to buy. All I'm interested in is 5 minutes bullish intent. Say he wants to buy. At this point here, 1 minute is fine. I just see an engulfing on the 1 minute after sweeping this low. Then any retracement after that, I'll enter the buys and take it all the way up here. This right now is good. This setup right now is good. This is about 25 pips stop loss. Yeah, 1 to 3 is fine. 1 to 3 is fine. That's very good risk to reward ratio. So this right now is good, but I want to see more. I want to see more. That's because I'm already in the trade right now, which has gone back. GU is just playing around right now. But yeah, this trade is not mine anymore. It belongs to the market. So I'm already in a trade, so I'm not looking to rush into another trade. I'm trying to keep my risk per day at 1% each day. Maximum of 1% loss a day, the maximum of 1% risk, total amount of trades in a day. So if I'm going to lose this account at all, I need 10 losing days to lose this account. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this plays out, and I'll keep you guys updated. GU right now at one bucket to draw down. Yeah, that's still fine. All right, guys. So I'm out of this trade. I'm out right now. I lost $34 on this trade. That's about 0.52%. All right, guys. Quick update here. I'm looking at this setup. I have to head out real quick, so I just kind of set my limit orders. Let me show you. I just set my limit order for the trade. If it comes back here, I'm taking this trade. If not, we're done for the day. It's currently 11:46 a.m. So I have to go do something right now. So I'll keep you guys updated. So let me head out. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry. All right, guys, I'm back with an update, and I think I am activated now on my trade. Let me see. Okay, yes, we're activated right now, and the trade is on. We've committed to this trade, so let's see how this one goes. If I lose this trade, then my 1% loss for the day was all on GBP USD, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's currently 2 p.m. here in Nigeria, so I'm pretty tired already. I've been watching the market play out, not making any decisive decisions. Now, I had an idea to kind of remove my limit on this trade and wait for more price action before I execute the trade. But I thought about it and I'm like, this kind of setup now can easily be a tap and go setup, and I know how those setups really move. So I decided to just leave my limit, accept my loss. This is one thing that many traders don't really do, which is accepting the loss they are incurring in the market. So right now, this trade, I'm losing $30 on this trade. That's it. So whatever happens in this trade, I'm ready to lose $30 on this trade. And if it goes in my favor, that's fine. Right now, it's moving well so far. That's fine. So I'll keep you updated as usual. I'll be right back when this trade has done what it wants to do. But yeah, I'm hoping for the best from this trade. Alright guys, so finally the market finally decided. This was a long day. Alright guys, I'm back, and the market finally decided to move, and of course it took me out. This was a long day. But yeah, the market took me out and had a massive sell-off. Yeah, good setup. I had my concerns, but we followed the rules, and as long as I have my risk management in place, this is the best way to start this challenge, actually, in my opinion. Like, there are better ways here, but I'll take this. 1% down on my account, and my risk management is in place. 1% loss for the day, but we're good. So I had a gold trade that I wanted to take. I'll show you guys that gold trade here. I had this gold trade that I wanted to take. Gold had a massive sell-off. There was a news that came out from one country about gold. If I can find it, I'll paste it here. That made gold drop all the way from here down to this support area, and it started reacting and rejecting on the 5 minutes. After I saw this candle, I was interested, But because I was still on my GU trade, I didn't execute that gold trade. I even considered closing my GU trade because I was up about $20 at that point. So I considered closing that trade just to take the gold trade because I prefer trading gold actually. And when I know gold a whole lot. So when I see some kind of moves, I know what's happening next. But I decided to just stick to this trade and let it play out and leave gold to do what it wants to do. Because if I had closed this trade and taken that gold and gold failed and this played out, I would have questioned my decision making. You get that kind of thing. So I just decided to leave the market and let it just do what it wanted to do. This was around 3:15. So I was up about $20 at this point. And gold as at 3:15, yes, this candle was where I was thinking of taking this gold buys. So it would have played out nice for me, but I have no regret. I'm glad I didn't take it. I'll just forward this and add this to my wealth of experience. Then GU took me out. Of course, if you look at the higher time frame, you see the reason why it sold. So swipe liquidity up here. This is the area that sponsored this liquidity sweep. Came back for it. And now it can keep going up, or I'm more biased towards GU continuing this bullish movement from here. But yeah, let's see how the week goes. So traders, that's the end of this trading week and my first day on the prop account. As you can see, I'm currently down 1%, and this is how the journey goes. There are downs, there are ups. My two setups for the day were both on GU and they both failed. So I have to also look how I pick my setups also and refine that. I'm trying not to be too careful with this account because that can really affect my trading if I start to treat this account like it's something special or something outside of myself. So I try to treat this account, I'm trying to treat this account like just another trading account that I'm trading. So I don't want to give too much importance to this particular account. So the reason being that I had a lot of decisions that I would have taken normally, but I didn't take it because I was looking at the account as, okay, it's a new account, I'm trying to be this one with this account. You know, that's that feeling you get when you're trading a new account. So I'm trying to break out of that mindset, but I'm glad that this account started off like this. I'll take this over going up 4% in one day. That could give you the wrong idea of how trading is also, but you know what, that's it for this account and that's it for the week. If you're interested in following along more closely than just on my YouTube channel, you can contact me on WhatsApp, on Telegram, you can contact me on TikTok, on Instagram. I have all my socials down in the description. I send my trades to my little WhatsApp group where I have a few of my friends. If you're interested in that also, the link will be down below in the description of this video. That will be it for today. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.